a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
has been amazing, and I'm here with the Bikaholics group to have a last cruise of the year. Wishing you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yo, alright, so make one wish for Christmas. One wish for Christmas.
I've made my wish. Silent wish.
Silence wish. Yo.
Yo, yo, yo. Hi, this is Lily, and I'm joining my gang, my Day 1Gs, Bikaholics of Lagos, having our last cruise of the year, chill cruise, get a bit of sweat, a bit of laughs, a bit of fun, a bit of snacks, wine, water, and I'm here with my main G, Simson.
You. All right. So what's the most exciting thing about Christmas for you?
Well, I think it's spending time with family, spending time with friends, and rekindling memories, making memories that you can share the next Christmas. So that's the most exciting thing for me. And obviously there are so many shows in Lagos, even though the traffic is bad, but there's so much to do, so much to eat, somewhere to go every minute of the day. So that's
Hi, I'm Dion. I am joining my first Bikaholics of the year.
First bike. Oh, wow. Makes sense.
For me, it's family, being with your loved ones, and just having a great time. And the holidays, and
The sweetest producer, it's Peak VZ, the beat killer, yeah.
chicken, what's that dance? Catch it.
Let me have you film. Let me have you film. Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh yeah, now. Yeah. Hey.
Yo, guys! Don't
I'm loving it. It's always something like because I dance and have fun.
Yeah, how's the Christmas period for you? Work? Whoa! Mado. Merry Christmas!
It was a
Fun ride. Is this your first time in Bikaholics?
No, I'm a
Regular? Oh wow, Mado.
Yeah, I'm really happy I came out.
Awesome.
Yeah, next year we're going.
We go again.
Yeah, but I'm most excited for the one in
February.
Access Bank.
Oh yeah, the marathon. Mad.
2 months more.
Are you preparing? You're preparing?
Yeah.
So what's the distance? What's the distance you cycle? You cycle from Surulere?
Yeah, how do you know from Surulere? Yeah, like I've been cycling from Surulere lately, but I know that day we're doing from Ojaleta, so it's kind of. But yeah, I think I need to train more and I did endurance.
Nice.
I noticed that I get tired quickly.
Yeah.
But if I keep cycling,
Awesome. How is the Christmas period for you?
Christmas.
Yeah. It's Christmas week.
I don't really. I'm not as excited as Christmas as I used to.
Oh wow.
So I think I mean, to come and go. That's how I see it. I'm just like waiting for 2026.
Okay.
So we can like get back to normal life. But right now, like we're like in the luminal zone where we're in between 2025 and 2026. Right? So, but yeah, I'm excited for the next year. Great things are coming.
Yeah, sure, bro. Nice one.
Drika! Come on! Drika!
Christmas song. So guys, 1, 2, ready, go.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Happy New Year.
Great tidings we bring to you and your friends. Great tidings of Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Happy holidays.
Happy birthday to you. Why is a jolly good fellow? Why is a jolly good fellow? Why is a jolly good fellow? I saw the Lord of us. Jolly good fellow. Why is a jolly good fellow? Why is a jolly good fellow? What's wrong?
Don't try this at home. Yeah, that was loud. Congratulations. How do you feel? How do you feel? You don't feel good?
I feel amazing.
Why were you shaking? Like, what were you doing?
It's coming out of my hand.
It's
Like shooting a gun.
We'll do this again?
No.
No, you should.
No.
You should.
No.
Simson Center.
Subscribe now. As I say, subscribe. Press that subscribe button now.